Hey smart learners, welcome back to Smart Learn Hub. We all know education is changing fast, but what's really exciting is how AI-powered PCs are starting to reshape the way students learn, teachers teach, and professionals upgrade their skills. Today, I am diving into how Intel-powered AI PCs are enabling the next generation of learners, and why this could be the biggest shift in education since the internet. Imagine a classroom where every student has their own personal tutor. That's what Intel's AI-powered PCs are bringing to life. With local AI running directly on the device, learners can get real-time feedback, personalized quizzes, and adaptive lessons tailored just for them, without always needing an internet connection. This means a student who struggles with math gets step-by-step help, while another who's excelling moves ahead at their own pace. That's personalization at scale. But it's not just tutoring. These PCs are also changing how we study. Think about AI that summarizes long lectures, organizes notes automatically, or translates complex topics into simpler language, all happening on your laptop. For creators and researchers, it's like having a research assistant and editor right in your computer. And since it runs on Intel hardware, it's optimized for speed and privacy. Learning isn't only about textbooks. With AI PCs, students can collaborate more effectively. Picture this: AI that generates project ideas, drafts slides, and even suggests visuals for group work. Tools like this don't replace creativity, they unlock it. So instead of wasting hours formatting presentations, students can focus on problem solving and critical thinking. One of the most powerful impacts is accessibility. AI PCs can transcribe lectures for hearing-impaired students, translate languages in real time for international learners, and even assist with reading difficulties. That means more students, regardless of background or ability, can learn on equal footing. It's about making education more inclusive than ever before. So here's the bottom line. Intel-powered AI PCs are more than just faster computers. They're tools that can personalize education, boost productivity, support creativity, and make learning accessible to everyone. The next generation of learners won't just consume information. They interact with it in ways we've never seen before. If you're excited about where AI and education are heading, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you use an AI-powered PC for studying or teaching? See you in the next one.